Hi everybody, it's Nadia here again, and I'm just bringing to you a get ready with me. And with this get ready, I've just picked some of my Project Pan products and other products that I've had in my drawer but want to try. So it's a bit like Shop Moustache with Project Pan, and I'm quite liking these videos. I feel like that everybody is utilising what they've got and not rushing out to get the latest thing. But I also think that you can use the makeup you've got. You don't necessarily have to be using these products. It's just the fact that these are the products that I want to use today. Again, it's a mixture. It's not drugstore. There's a couple of eye-ends. There's, you know, things that I've used a couple of times and then put in a drawer because I've used them, and then I'm like, just go back to it, why not? At the end of the day, this is what my channel about, is trying to use the products you've got without forcing yourself to do 50 different things and having brand new makeup and worrying about what the latest fads is. With this, I just thought I'll come and give you guys a little Project Pan with a few extra bits that I'm just trying out. So I'm going in with the Hydrating Gel Mist. If you're new to this channel, you won't know, but this is something that I absolutely love to use. It moisturises my skin, even though I've put moisturiser on, but it's really hydrating. But it's in like a gel mist. It's really weird. It's okay, can you see that? It's quite thick, but it comes out sometimes if it's not playing silly. But yeah, I just squirt a lot of this because it comes out, yeah, it comes out quite powerful, but I love it. I really do. It's one that I love. And I have actually gone out and got myself a little fan just to dry my face off. Then I've got the e.l.f. Illuminating Primary Mist. This is no different for me than a normal primer mist. I don't find it extremely illuminating, so but I could be wrong. I could be wrong. I can't remember, it's been that long ago. So, and as you can see, that was so much better sprayer. So, and again, I'm going to go in with my fan and blow dry. So technically they aren't in my Project Pan, but this is the Becca Under Eye primer, and I'm just gonna, I don't like a lot of this, and I still haven't seen the point in it. But I suppose if I wore makeup every day, then it might be a good one. I just don't know. I'm going in with the MAC strobe cream. I just like to put this on and use them up, just sort of around the outskirts. So I hope that everybody's doing well. It's been a trying 3-4 months now, as we all know. We're still isolating here. We're really going out for necessities, which for me hasn't really changed my life, but for some people it's a lot harder. So now I'm going in with the Revlon Photoready primer. This is in my Project Pan, and I just put it in my T-zone. And I haven't even got a mirror in front of me, so I could have face cream everywhere. This is the KIKO colour corrector, and I'm just going in with this colour here, just under my eyes. I don't want a lot of product there, so my skin's looking nice, if I do say so myself. It's looking really nice. I don't know which one I'm going in with, the Colourpop or the Hourglass. Let's try the Hourglass. Just want a light dusting of it. So, and I'm going in with a fresh brush just to blend this out. I've had my face is swollen on this side because I've had my tooth removed, which was a palaver and a half, because everything that's going off. This will be going out in a month, so I'll have had this tooth problem, and I should have had a root canal done on it, and then there was the lockdown. Yeah, it wasn't an ideal time to be getting a root canal done, so they've literally taken it out, and because it's a back tooth here, it's not too bad, but I was in agony. I really was in agony, because as you can see, it's like this side's swollen. So I've done a really light layer. I mean a really light layer of this. You can get it to pretty full coverage, but I don't really want that. Putting it where I want that little bit more extra coverage, because that's what it's all about. So that looks beautiful. I like that. I'm actually going through all my old foundations to find out what I like and what I don't like, so that I can start using them up. I'm going to take my Essence concealer, which is in my project pan. And again with the same brush, I'm just gonna push it underneath my eyes, so to give me a little more coverage, because it's pretty much the same as my base colour. I'm not lighting it up. I think it looks really nice, like just like that. So today I'm going to go in with the Tarte Sculpt. Oh, I've nearly finished this. So, and then I'm just going to blend with this blending brush. This is nice, especially for contouring. This brush, it's from Dose of Colour, and I just think it frames me nicely, and I need that cheek definitely hollowed. And just to cut a bit more of a line, I've just gone back in with the blender and blend that out. And then I'm going to be taking my under eye setting powder from Kat Von D, or sorry, from KVD Beauty, and just going to set under my eyes. It really doesn't add my white cast, and it doesn't make them yellow, which I found with some that can. And I'm not using a lot, just like what you'd use on your eyes, but on this brush. And then setting my entire face with the Lottie Ready Set powder. So again, that's in my project pan. Again, I don't use a lot of this either, she says. Blend this all in nicely. So for blusher, I'm going to go in with the Bare Minerals in Peachy Keen. Oh, from Bare Minerals. See, that's stunning. Really nice. Bronzer, I'm going in with a favourite. It's the KIKO one. I've had it a long time. I still haven't hit pan. Mind you, this side's getting a little dome. Yeah, this is really nice. Really warms my skin up nicely. I feel like I can't even feel it on me. I'm just going back in with that pad brush because it's looking a little harsh, especially on camera. In real life it doesn't. It looks really nice. And the blusher. Make a mesh. And then for highlighter, I thought I'd go with a goodie and oldie, which is the Sleep palette, which I haven't done for ages. So I was like, yes, I can do that today. So I'm going to take the peachy one and just go in. Do you know, say we've been in quarantine, I really need to wash all my brushes. Still not done it. Don't know why. See, look, this is just stunning. Sleek highlighters are so good. Revolution highlights are so good. It doesn't emphasise my skin. I'm looking a bit dry at the minute, but I saw the powders. It looks harsh, but I think that's camera light. it's not. And keep a bow that always comes off anyway. On the chin and above the eyes. I really do like this a lot. It just blends so effortlessly. So because I've got all that powder on, I'm going to be setting it with the Supreme Matte Finishing Spray from Revolution or Gains in my project pan. And this will just mesh everything beautifully together, and that has really just set it all down. It doesn't look as powdery, it looks really, really nice. Right, so I'm going to use the Urban Decay Primer Potion and put it on here. I think this should be in my project pan, but I'm not sure. I can't remember if I put it in or not, but if I did, then I forgot about it. If I didn't, it doesn't matter. So like I said, today I'm going in with the Morphe 3502 and I'm going to be taking some of this because I just fancy, with that nice peach look, nice orangey toned look, not actually full blown orange, but an orangey look. So I think first of all I'm going in with this first shade in the palette, and I'm just gonna pop that in my crease and blend and let me draw you in for this. I'm not particularly fond of YouTubers that you can't see what they're doing when they do their eyeshadow, because it looks absolutely brilliant further away, but I can't see, and I'm like, I just wish you'd draw your camera in a little bit. And I always find out this eye comes out better than this eye. Don't ask me why, it just does. So taking a smaller brush, I think I'm going to go into this one just here. And it's going to be an orange look, I think. I think my brush is still damp. I'm just blending it in the crease. Got more salmon than anything. Do like it though. I'm just going to keep blending till it's at the desired effect that I want. I'm just going to run a little bit under my lash line of this colour. Going back in with that first shade and just going to blend this top bit a little bit to mesh them together. Literally take it all the way to my brow bone. On my brow arch and inner corner, I'm going in with this gold colour. I'm going on my baby ears. Let's do my eyebrows and everything, that'd be perfect. And then I think on my lid, I'm going to be taking this orange just here. And I'm just going to use my ring finger and packing that on with a mixture of the red sort of glitter. Not a lot of it because it's looking, yeah, that's it. Going into this orange shade here, I'm going to put this, I want to make it a little bit more orange on this outer part rather than the pink, and in the crease. I'm just going to blow it out so there's no harsh lines. I'm quite monochrome. Orange blush, orange, and I might do an orange lip. Why not? Who says I can't? So guys, I'm going to go off and do mascara liner, and I'll come back when I'm ready, and I will see you in a minute. Hi guys, I'm back and I've just put mascara on and black eyeliner, done my eyebrows with my KIKO brow, and now I'm going to put on my True Lips in like an orange colour. And then just filling them in a little bit. And then I think I'm going to take Kat Von D's Mini, because this is a nice bright orange. And then I'm going to take 227 in the L'Oreal and just, well, that's beautiful. That really is nice. So guys, this is the finished look and I really like it. This is a nice monochromatic. This is a really nice monochromatic look of the orange and it is beautiful. I love this look. Yes, it's a little out of my comfort zone because I wouldn't wear this every day, but to use the palette and different lipsticks that I've got, I like it a lot. So guys, hope you've all stayed safe and you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, would love you to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell, and it'll let you know when I bring out a video. And also, if there's any other monochromatic looks you want me to do for you, then just let me know down in the description box, or a series, or what you would like to see off me. I'd much appreciate it. So thanks ever so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.